Give me a hell yeah!
Hello everyone, it's Friday, and you know what that means. It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max only on Harriet. And today we are doing a double header. It's a double main event dito sa Fridays with Viva Max as we are reviewing not one but two movies. One of which is Sex is Zen. Released siya last Tuesday dito sa Viva Max platform. It is a 1991 movie distributed by Golden Harvest Productions. So, there, ayun. And also, we are going to be reviewing Kulong, the latest Viva Max original movie. So, uh, with regards to our moment of distribution, I want you to have the choice to either view them both in one video, view Kulong by chapter, or view Sex is Zen by chapter. And we're just gonna edit right there, but it's all in this one video right here. It's going to be the double main event dito sa Fridays with Viva Max. Okay, let's start with Sex is Zen. So, I can't pronounce their names. They're Chinese. I'm sorry. I don't speak Hokkien. So, uh, let me just go through the film. So, Sex and Zen is a 1991 film by Michael Mack. It is a 1991 Hong Kong erotic sex comedy film and starring Amy Yip and Lawrence Nang. This film is loosely based on the Carnal Prayer Mat, a Chinese erotic novel by 17th century author and playwright Li Yu. So, if you notice dito sa pelikula to, there are books that have been distributed all over this throughout the plate of the movie na pinapakita yung mga different positions in Japanese style with some caricatures. I strongly believe that is the said movie. So, in Sex is Zen, there is our protagonist is this guy named Mei Ying Zheng. He is a scholar. Tapos, gusto niya i-challenge yung teaching ng kanyang master. Sabi kasi ng master niya na enlightenment is more than the flesh of the woman. And, yeah, yung ating bida, sobrang pabida, challenge niya yung teachings, break away, and then, unfortunately, he is going to get married. So, he is going to get married by Hook Young, played by Amy Yip. And, surprise, she is a conservative one, she is a virgin, and she thinks that having an intercourse is a sin. And parang masakit. And our scholar friend over here, yung ating bidang scholar, siyempre, sinabi niya na hindi naman daw masakit. So, he went through the marriage and then, kaagad-agad, umalis siya. Nilayasan niya asawa niya for a study journey. So, he got the aid of Choi Kun-loon. That he has some skills that could teach him how to steal other men's wives. Pero tutulungan lang niya yung ang ating scholar na bida kung meron siyang ari ng kabayo. Tapos we got this scene na may na-meet siyang doktor na medyo malaki, muscular. Uh, and we got through some scenes na hijinks na paano na simpleng pagputol lang sa ari ng scholar at ikakabit yung ari ng kabayo kung ano na nangyari. Yeah. So, dahil kinabitan ng ari ng kabayo, ang laki tuloy ng edits nung ating scholar at kung gayon, tinuruan na siya ng technique para mambabae. Ayun. So, after transplanting, yung ari ng kabayo, hindi, hindi pa niya kaya patingkasin. Tumigas lang siya, hindi dahil binigay siya nung kanyang apprentice, kundi dahil si Kunlun, yung tagapagturo ng skill para mangaliwa, gumawa ng swordplay. Swordplay as may exhibition siya ng kanyang espada. Huwag kayong magulo dyan. So, with a 20-inch dick, he starts seducing women. Yung una niyang sinedusan itong asawa na kung ang pangalan ay Wong Chut. Asawa ni Wong Chut. So, Wong Chut and his wife parang embroidery sa silk. And he seduced the silk lady into having intercourse with her. And this leads to Wong Chut going out of the house. Siya pa yung napalayas, no? Sila pa yung yung Kenita, siya pa yung napalayas, parang batang Quiapo lang, And meron pa dito si Scholar, he got involved with two women na bisexuals. They are into BDSM, SNM. And don't kid me, meron silang eksena in the beginning of the film na nagtatalik sila. Tapos, they scissored each other. Tapos may loot sa pagitan nila. Yeah. And nung na-involve itong Scholar dun sa dalawa na to, nung una, okay. Tapos nilalati ko niya yung babae. Tapos parang humina siya. And then Wong Chut traveled para gumanti dun sa Scholar. Nalaman niya may asawa pala yung Scholar. Tapos nangaliwa tuloy yung asawa ng Scholar. Kasi tawag doon si Hook. Si Hook Yen. Nangaliwa kasi wala yung asawa niya. So, yung kanyang purity na sira, and she had an affair with Wong Chut, they had this intense scene dun sa jacuzzi. Sobrang intense. Grabe. Grabe. Tapos, yeah, she got pregnant after that. Iniwan siya ni Wong Chut. And then, the wife became a prostitute. And then, the man, the Scholar, came home wounded. Tapos, malapit na mabulag. So, he seek treatment. And the treatment is going to a brothel. At dun sa brothel na yun, na feel niya yung asawa niya nandun, upset sa naging kainatan ng asawa niya, naging prostitute habang wala siya, hinabol niya, nagpakamatay asawa niya, and dito na-realize na tama yung ni Scholar, na tama yung master niya after all. Okay, yeah, that's Sex and Zen. Ang masasabi ko is napaka-intense ng mga mature scenes dito sa pelikula na to. Yung tipo na yung jacuzzi scene ni Wong Chut sa kanong asawa ng Scholar, grabe. Kaya mo yun? Yung pagdating ng punto na alam mong titirahin siya, yung trusting sa puwet, matindi, yung boobs nilabutak. Yeah. It's a very unreal thing. At dahil dito, dapat kailangan mag-step up yung ating mga kababayan sa kanilang performance sa di ba, sa bold. Kasi medyo Intense eh. At 1991 to, ha? I'm not sure. Pag baka pag nag-Hong Kong ako, next year, check ako ng mga bold doon. Baka may makita tayo maganda. 1991 tapos gawa to nung nung Golden Harvest uh, production. Yun. Dun 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 dun. Right? Yeah. Uh, Pretty much. A very good film. Very intense, for the lack of the better term. And let's go to Kulong. Tara, ba't Kulong? Okay, so we are now here to review Kulong. And this is the latest Viva Max movie. It stars, who's it starring? It stars Jen Rosa, who we last saw sa TL. And Caris Manzano, we last saw her in Katas. And Aika Veloso, we last saw her on. She's on High on Six. Parang kasi sa Bell. Okay. So, we're just going to go to their names. Real names, okay? So, I don't think they have names, diba? Okay, so these three are, mga down bad sisters sila. They're down bad to, on getting laid, for the lack of a better term. And yung kanilang role dito, pumunta sila sa resort to compose a story about three virgins. And that story was never finished until the end of the film. And yun, yeah, newsflash. Kasi sila ay sobrang libog na libog dun sa character ni J.D. Aguas na si Boy. So each women take turns on who can get laid with Boy. So the first person was Caris Manzano. And she got rejected. Tapos may dumating yung delivery boy. Caris Manzano tries her charm on the delivery boy. And hindi siya na-reject. So, boy has the problem, hindi siya. Then it's Jen Rosa's turn. Jen Rosa has an ongoing angle with Aika Veloso in this movie na dati siya na yung lovers na naging friends. And to the point na they have some sexual tension with each other. Now, Jen Rosa tries to flirt with Boy, doesn't doesn't move him. So, the next person she wants to flirt with is the water boy. Yung nag-deliver ng tubig, and she succeeded. And then we got her and Aika Veloso making out, and I think that was the best mature scene sa pelikula na to. There were pag babae sa babae pwede mag-suck ng nipples, pero pag lalaki sa lalaki hindi. Okay. We're so gonna demonetize this. And then in the end, si Aika Veloso yung nanalo kasi siya yung ano, hindi niya kasi pinersa yung sarili niya kay Boy. It just came out naturally. So, Boy just naturally had intercourse with Aika Veloso and she wins. This movie is 50 minutes long, but I summarize it in less in like 2 minutes. Okay, so yeah, that's the story of Kulong. Di ko alam bakit Kulong yung title. Someone explained it to me, but Kulong. I would have suggest na sa resort dapat kinulong nila si Boy, tapos ginawang sex slave, pero hindi eh. Wala eh. I don't know. I have no idea. Okay, so let's go to the tier list ranking ng Kulong. I think next week may pelikula rin. Pelikula. Servidoras is next one is Tuesday. Okay, that kind of excites me a bit. I'm excited for some Servidoras. But we're not about here to review Servitoras on Tuesday. We're about here to rank some Viva Max movies. Okay, so what do we have here? Uh, I will be giving the short but sweet Kulong. AEW. Just about bearable. I'll give it nasa uring ganap. Ayan. Kamukha ni ano dito, ni Mergy. Margie na yung name niya, hindi na Alona Navarro. Pero sa umpisa, kala ko si Alona Navarro ito nasa thumbnail ko. So yeah, Kulong is nasa uring ganap tier. Uh, pero okay naman, masyado na maikli. Masyado na basic. Parang pinagsali-salitan lang yung lalaki. Ginawang pustahan. Ayan. Kulong. Di ko alam yung title eh, but Kulong. Okay, so Tuesday we got Servidoras, and then Friday we got Himas. Yeah, and this is your boy, the God Gamer himself, telling you goodbye and good night, double or nothing. Bang!